Hi, it's me, Miss Kathleen, and today I'm going to show you how to use your 3D Doodler pen. So let's get started.
Here we have the 3D Doodler pen. It's pretty simple. There's one button, one switch, the charging point, and the hole where the plastic goes in. To get started, slide the black switch into the on position. The light should be red to indicate that the pen is heating up. If the light is flashing orange, that means the pen needs to be charged. You'll know you're ready when the pen flashes green. Insert the plastic into the pen until it stops. Click the orange button once, and the plastic will start moving into the device. You're ready to start creating when the plastic comes out of the tip. Click the orange button once to stop the plastic moving out. Now we can begin to experiment and practice using the pen. Once you have a feel for how the pen works, you can start your project. Start and stop the flow of the plastic in between steps of your shapes. If you run out of material while you're making, simply insert another piece of the same color while the pen is feeding. When it's time to change colors, stop the flow of plastic by clicking the orange button once. Double-click the orange button to reverse the flow of the plastic. When the plastic stops moving, gently pull and remove the plastic from the pen. Click the orange button to restart the flow of plastic and continue making. Before inserting the plastic stick, always make sure the end of the plastic is cut flat and doesn't have strings or melted parts. Sometimes it's easier to hold the plastic in to get it moving. Sometimes you need to reinforce areas. You can make pieces separately and then glue them together with the pen. When you're done, click the orange button once to stop the flow of plastic and turn off the pen. And there we have it, our first 3D pen doodler project.